Hi, welcome back to the another video. In this video, I will be talking about how to apply for how to search and apply for a specific job at IIT Bombay, and I will also share the basic and effective tips for a suc- for an effective application. So please watch this video from the start to end. Now, please type down a specific job title or job title in these keywords and then click on start. As you can see here, there are currently three positions are open with respect to the research fellowship position. Like one is junior research fellowship position, and you can see the advertisement refer code and the start date and end date of the application. If you are looking for a staff position, then you can drop your CV, your cover letters at this email ID. And to apply for this specific job, please do click on this link to the specific position, and here you can see the job title, the reference number, application in date, the project, the type of employment, the number of position, and the recruitment criteria and experience required, and job profiles and pay details and the general information. And to apply for this job, please click on apply. It will transition you to the application wizard page. If you are new to this platform, so then you have to create an if you are applying for first time, then you have to create an account or you have to register for candidate account. For this, you have to fill this sections and provide a valid email ID. Then click on proceed, and then you have to click on register and apply. After this, you will get an email from IIT Bombay career section, uh, career department, from where you have to first verify your emails, and then you have to complete out the basic process, which is very basic. Once you have completed your registration, so then click on application wizard and then log into your account. Then click on continue. Submit your application for this specific job. You have to complete this six uh, things, six sections, that is personal detail, education training details, work experience detail attachment, in which you have to provide a CV, cover letter, resume, cover letters, publication list of publications, cover letters, and then you have to complete a application. Here in personal details, you have to provide your name, and if you have previously worked, then you have to work at IT Bombay, then you have to provide the SAP PRN number, and then you have to select your then you have to provide your passport number if you have, then and Aadhaar card number and PAN card number. You can provide your Aadhaar card number, that is enough, but do also provide your PAN card number here for reference, and then you have to select your if you belong to the special category, then you have to select on the specific category on the specific category, then click on save and continue. Here you have to provide your educational detail from current educational detail to end. To add that, you can click on add, and then you have to provide the education institute university name, start date, end date of this course, the digital declaration date, that is mentioned in your convocation and the final certificate, and then you have country location, that is your college location, highest degree certificate. If this is your higher degree certificate, then you have to select on yes, like PhD, MSc, whatever. Then education type, part-time or full-time, and diploma, whatever. And then you can provide a description, brief description of that program. Once you have completed these things, you can see these tables, and from here you also can select your highest degree by clicking on this specific box. If you have net and get scores, then click on that specific course, and then you have to provide your the qualified date and the scores, all India rank. And please do list down your key skills, technical skills here, and never forget to click on save before submitting or saving this applications, and also provide your statement of purpose, statement of objective, um, in which you have to indicate why you wish to join IIT Bombay or this specific lab, and how your opinion to meet your job requirement and advised. So here you can mention that how you will be beneficial for this institute, and how your learning experience will be helpful for this project work or whatever things. And then at the end you have to provide a short paragraph about the research technical development project you would like to undertake during this training program or whatever post if you wish. And do save before save and clicking on save and continue. Once you have completed this step, please click on save and continue. Then in work experience, you have to provide your previous work experience by clicking here and adding your work experience list. Here you have to provide your employer name, that is your PI name or lab name, where you have work, and the starting end date, and the functional area, whatever functional area you have work, and the kind of industry, uh, and the pay level, the skills. If you were um, in terms, then you have to mention 00 at the total pay level, and the job profile, in which you have to provide your the basic description of that job profile, like project assistance, yeah, JRF, SRF, and then click on OK. Then you have to provide an expected salary. Then please click on save to continue. Here you in attachment section you can read the instruction for the specific thing, and then upload your final degree certificate, resume, and consolidated certificate transcript, and your signature photo, and by clicking on add, and write down here titles and type of certificate, your kind of certificate, and choose the file and then attach. Once you have completed this, please click on save and continue. In the cover letter section, you have to mention where you find this job advertisement. You can mention LinkedIn or on Google search, and on this web page. Then you have to select your category, and then you also have to provide a three referee names, which is recently which is familiar with your work, and which in under which you have worked previously, like your PhD, thesis advisor, PhD guide, and the project guide during your internship period. To add that referee name, so please click on add. Then you have to add your name of the referee, the position, the affiliation, and the landline number, email ID, mobile number, and the address of institute or that organization. Then you have to click on OK to save that data. Then you have to write down a short application cover letter in which you have to describe why you are interested in job, how this job will be helpful for you, and how you can benefit this institute, and what is your expectation from this job. Then click on save and continue. And here you are at the in page of the applications. As you can download your application as a PDF format in which you can see the application IDs and job referral numbers. Uh, uh, you can download this form, so complete form in a PDF format by clicking here. And to submit this application, click on freeze and submit application. Then you have to click on I declare and apply. As you can see here, your application has been submitted, and please note down the application ID for further reference. This ID is required during interview and selection process. Hey, if you find this video very informative, then please give thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any updates on various opportunity. And I do recommend you to follow us on various social media platform and do join our LinkedIn group and LinkedIn page to get up to date news on various opportunity, and keep sharing our content to others so other will also get benefited, and keep coming back to our channel to never miss any update, any news. And I do recommend you to check out the other videos at this channel to know more about the various opportunities from fellowship, research position opening, workshop training program, shorter courses, and online certificated courses, and various research tools and education tools for everyone.